This is the Duolingo app. It's a green app with a little birdie on it, and this app will help you learn a new language. It's free and it's very easy to use. If you open the app, it will take you to this page, and if you swipe left through the different pages, you will come to the sign-in page. This is the sign-in page, and you can simply create an account, or if you already have one, you can sign in, or you can also sign in using Facebook or Google+. Once you sign in, it will direct you to select a language. I've already selected a language, so it has taken me to this main page. I've chosen to learn French, and this shows me all the different lessons that I'm going to be learning. If you swipe down, you can see all the different lessons. The gray lessons are ones that I have not yet completed, and you can see this one is blue because that's the current lesson that I'm on. In the upper left-hand corner, it says Profile. If you tap Profile, this little box will appear. This is where you can find your settings in the upper left-hand corner, and this will show you the progress and improvements that you make as you go through the different lessons. When you're finished with this, you simply tap Close in the upper right-hand corner. To start a lesson, I'm simply going to tap the lesson that I'm on. To begin the new lesson, you simply tap Start. If you've already learned some of this language and this is too basic for you, in the upper right-hand corner it says Test Out. If you select that, that will give you an option to move on to further lessons. If you've already completed a lesson, it will say Redo. This is a chance for you to practice a little bit more and redo the lesson. If you swipe to the right, you may find a lesson that says Locked, and you have to complete the previous lessons before you can unlock that lesson. So now I've started my lesson and it's taken me to this page. It's asking me to translate the sentence. Now it shows this yellow bolded word, and that means that it's a new word that I have not yet learned. If I tap on the word, it will show me the definition. If I tap on this blue sound icon, it will repeat the phrase aloud to me. For this exercise, I simply have to choose the English words from the bottom that match the French phrase. So I simply tap the word and then I press check at the bottom. Up at the top here, it shows my progress bar. That just shows the progress in this particular lesson. Now, if you get an answer wrong, you'll notice that you'll lose one of your hearts. That's just a way to keep track of how you're doing. If you want to quit your lesson, you can tap Quit in the upper left-hand corner, but you will lose all the progress you've made so far in this particular lesson. So when you finish each exercise, you simply tap Continue. These are just a few different examples of questions that it might ask you. Once again, the yellow bolded words are new words, and if I tap on the word, it will show me the definition. And if I tap on the blue sound icon, it will say the phrase aloud to me. For this exercise, I have to type the phrase in English, so if I tap in the empty field, then my keyboard will appear. For this exercise, I need to repeat the phrase. So to start recording, I simply tap the blue microphone, and to finish recording, I can tap it again. For this exercise, I'm choosing the English words that match the French phrase. Now, if I accidentally tap the wrong one, I can simply tap it again, and it will go back down to the bottom. For this exercise, I need to type what I hear in French. So if I type the large sound icon, it will repeat it to me at a normal pace, and if I tap the little turtle one, it will repeat it back to me slowly so that I can better hear it and understand it. When you finish your lesson, this page will appear. This shows you your progress, and it allows you to set a goal if you would like to do that. Now, if you pass a lesson with all 4 of your hearts, you'll earn one of these little gems. You can also earn these gems if you pass a full set of lessons. As you can see on this main page, in the upper right-hand corner it says Shop. If you tap on Shop, this box will appear, and this is where you can use your gems if you wish. To close out of that, you simply tap Close in the upper right-hand corner. So I'm back on my home page, and this bar shows me that I've completed my Basics 1 lesson. At the bottom it says Practice Weak Skills. If I tap on that, it will take me through previous lessons and ask me questions so that I can review and practice. Now, if you want to start learning another language or change the language that you're learning, you want to go to Profile in the upper left-hand corner. And on my profile, next to the language French, it says Change. If I tap Change, it will take me to this page. In the upper left-hand corner, it says Add. You can tap Add to add a new language. Then you simply tap the language that you want to learn.